Hey, Math 7. All right, this next con is called Finding Missing Angles. So, what I like about this one, you're just kind of thinking about it. You're using the skills you've already been taught now to find the different angles. There's just different ways of doing it. So, notice each time they're going to give you extra information. You need to find this one right here. But you already know this angle here. So you have a straight line here, a straight line here. If this angle is 95 degrees, what do you know about vertical or opposite angles? They are the same. So this X angle is going to be 95 right there. Notice that this 60 angle, they put it in there, but you did not need it. So you have to decipher what it is you do need and what it is you don't need. So let's do another one here. So we have this shape. We need to solve for this X shape right here. Well, notice that this line makes a straight line, and the X angle goes from here to here. So if we were to go all the way from here to here, that makes a supplementary angle of 180 degrees. Since this one over here is already 100 degrees, we know that this one, 180 minus 100, would be 80 degrees. So this one over here, we didn't need that. They're just throwing in extra information we didn't need. Let's do another one here. All right, so on this one, they actually have a lot of information on this one. So we need to solve for this angle right here. We know that this makes a right triangle right here. So this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So if this one's 90 degrees, we know that complementary angles add up to 90. So 28, if we take 28 away from 90, we would get a grand total of 62 left over. This big angle of 152, we didn't need that. That was just extra information. Anyways, you are just looking to find the missing angle. I'm happy to check each and every one of them on Google Hangouts. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.